Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So I'm going to take you through how to resolve this issue with your printer when it fails to print because of this particular error message that is showing on the screen now. So this usually happens with HP LaserJet printers. So it happened to me on this particular printer, LaserJet Enterprise M611 printer. So what I did was that on the screen I scrolled to the settings area, tapped on the settings icon, then under settings I tapped on networking. From there I tapped on the Ethernet option, and then under Ethernet you can see link speed, so tap on that. Then in the link speed area you will see a list of options there. What worked for me was the 100TX full option, so I tapped on the radio button to select it, pressed OK, and then afterwards everyone who was connected to this particular printer was able to then print to it successfully. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share the video if this video was helpful, and let us know how it went for you in the comment section. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.